So anyone can explain for that what is the manual correlation process?
Finding the dynamic value and or taking the left boundary and right boundary of that dynamic value
Okay.
and uh,
Way to write the
after that
function.
way to write the function
Function.
and substitute.
Substitution. Okay, good. So first find the dynamic value, right? How to one like how to we can find the dynamic value?
Sir, from the server, we get the response from like sign in attempt. So in the value side, we can fetch it that dynamic value, which
Okay,
is unique.
okay, that is a one way, and one more way.
We can
Compare it.
also
Yeah, comparison. How we can means we can record the script twice with a different type of test data. Okay, and we need to do from the like after that you need to identify that using for the comparison tool. Okay, that is first point. Going to the second point. Find the dynamic value left boundary, right boundary. How to we can find the dynamic left boundary, right boundary?
In that outputs log, there is an option called replay. So there we are
Okay,
touching that particular value and taking
okay.
that entire thing, entire tag.
Yeah, it's correct only. Go to the first thing you need to copy the dynamic value. Go to the output window. There we need to select from the code generation and search box. You need to give from the like paste the dynamic value and click on find next, and it will show the first occurrence of the dynamic value. Then take for that left boundary, right boundary. What is the function of the correlation?
reg save parameter, sir.
Okay, what are the arguments?
Sir, parameter name, left boundary, right boundary, and last.
And last, yesterday we discussed one more also.
That is, you tell the parameter name and like which is Denver correlation, something like that.
No, no, no. One more argument I explained. Yesterday Praveen asked, right? We have the same names will come. How we can do means I told from the one more argument also.
Ordinal.
Yes, yes, ordinal. Yes. So what is the ordinal?
We can give
Sir,
the value
ordinal
by
is like a one and okay, you can continue, sir. Praveen.
Yeah. Yes, Praveen, continue.
no, we can get all the values from the list of drop down or anything, and
Yeah.
based on the index we can provide whether it is one, two, or three.
Yes, so ordinal nothing but like transfer the occurrence of the dynamic value. Like when we are given ordinal is equal to all, it become an array. And if you want capture from the first occurrence, you need to provide from the ordinals one. If you want from the fifth occurrence, we need to provide from the five. Like when we are provided as a ordinal call, it become an array and it will display the all the occurrence of the dynamic value, and it will count also, it will display how many values will be there in that particular drop down. That is the ordinal. So everyone done the yesterday assignment. Yesterday I given some assignment to everyone, right? Who are did, who are not did.
I have completed user registration and login. For login I'm doing that correlation thing, actually it's in progress.
Okay, then anyone there?
Sir, I have done the auto correlation. For manual correlation, I am still doing and means stuck in between the ordinal and I am also facing some proxy setting in this also as well. I am showing the error as well. So I've stuck that this is the way. I don't
No,
know
no, proxy.
because
Why
sometime I am
it is proxy settings you need from load
because
runner?
load runner not for that like for like sir. I am using the JMeter for also in office project and same laptop I am using in a laptop in office.
Okay,
So
okay.
that's why I'm facing issues. Sometimes I have to off the proxy and on the proxy. So
Okay.
let me share my screen.
Okay.
That's why I'm facing a little bit issue. I don't know.
Yeah, you can share. No worry.
Okay. Now it's because I've just come off the proxy and start my training work of loader here, and it stopped. I don't know what the reason.
You
Let me
can
share my
share.
screen. Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Because I just reached office, my home from office, and I'm showing this error. I have, let me show the recording option as well. It's not working here.
Say it is your personal laptop.
So it's kind of both. I'm using two laptop, and both are using for the office purpose and this purpose. Because yesterday I taken class from the office laptop from office, this loader class, so it will mix up. So I have facing this error. I have also opened the
What is
proxy
that?
setting. Sorry.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. Stop it.
Stop.
Yeah, stop recording. Recording. You can stop recording.
Okay, it's not.
Yeah, here it is showing right ring recording events. There you can see the recording stop.
Where you can see.
Recording events there, right? To your right hand side. Yeah, yeah,
Okay,
that.
okay.
Yeah, there.
I actually I did see.
Starting one. Yeah, that one. Yeah.
But it facing a error and pop-up is showing. But why error showing?
Yeah. We'll see. Okay, fine. Like you are
I
able to recording. Go to the recording options. No, no, that will be no need. Okay, no, no, we'll see.
because I have
Again,
opened the patch store. Okay, recording options.
yeah,
It should
recording option. You can go to the recording options.
and the recording option for that. Uh,
Okay, one by one come. First recording.
HTML advanced, and I have set up the URL,
Okay, okay.
and this is the recording step by step.
Oh, okay,
And I have also checked the configuration.
okay.
We need to
That
click.
is fine. That will be no need anything. Okay, come to the advanced. Okay. You're not set anything, right? Mapping and filter. Go to the options. Your right hand side. Down. Right hand side. Okay, SSL 2 by 3. Okay, that's fine. Okay. Click okay. Cancel. Okay, click OK. Yeah. So URL is correct only, right? You copy paste from the correct only.
Yeah,
Open manually. What URL you are provided, right? You can open manually.
this one is working fine on, but it's not working. What is the reason?
Yeah, this is the some security issues. Those are.
But it's working
No,
here.
no, no. It is working from the edge.
So can I
Chrome.
set up a Edge right now for
Yeah, you can set up edge. Oh, no problem.
it will? But why it's not working on Chrome?
Yeah, some security issues going. I think everyone also
So we
getting
need to
same
go
issue.
into the settings, hide advanced. We need to accept the privacy.
Yes. Yeah, you can do that also.
Again showing a error.
No, no, no. So
Maybe
Sun is told right. Advanced options. You can go there and you can set that options. Then you not get that kind of in Chrome also. Go to the Chrome, right?
let me put the and recording option
No, no, no.
and HTML advanced here or what? Need to go there or a recording option? This one.
No, no. We need set the browser.
In Chrome.
No, no. We need to set the browser. Open the Chrome browser.
Here hide advanced, learn more or something. Your connection is not private, so it asking to access the website. So here is the down. Proceed to petstore dot something. Down at last line. Proceed to pet store.
No, yeah, that.
Have click there. Now it will access.
Okay. I know
No.
sometimes website is not working, but
Yeah, you can close it and again you can try.
okay.
Because it is.
No, I will do it from this one, these things, because I stuck in between, because why it's not working from. So I have to analyze this issue, and I have to focus on this issue first, because sometime if any interviewer take an interview and asking me for the generator script, so that's why I have to fix this first.
Oh.
Okay. But sir, if any suppose someone stuck in between during the means day, and that is working day, so can I ask question from you on
Yes,
that?
yes. Yeah, you can first ping me in WhatsApp. If you are not responded, I will. If it is a need, means I will connect. Otherwise, I will give answer from the WhatsApp in
Because I
our
will
group.
get the time on the office timing, because and like in a lunch break only. Other day I have a work to finish that, so that's why I have means in time in a shift time, like, so that's why.
Okay, okay. We'll see. Okay, no problem. Okay.
Okay, so thank you so much. I am asking this question, and that's why. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah. So everyone able to see my screen? Okay.
Yes.
Yep.
So again, we'll do the correlation for this. Okay. I'm not done the user section. Again, I'm doing for the manual correlation. If you like, anyone will be not good, you can now you can learn. Okay. So first thing, copy the dynamic value. Already I find the dynamic value, that is the user section value. So this user section, as a user to user, it is changing. So that is why we need to handle this. If you not handle this, your script will be fail. Means you are unable to log in, like you are in the launch page only. Means you are not going to the exact correct response. Actually you are going to the next page, like is a flight booking page. But if you not handle this, you are unable to log in. But when you are execute this script, right, it will showing as a your script is pass only. Okay, now we can see this. Control C and find the dynamic value and go to the output window and go to the code generation and control home and give from the here control V and find it. Okay, this is the one way we can find the left boundary, right boundary. And one more way, control F and control V and click on snapshot and find all. Okay, I'm giving from the multiple ways, which way you are comfort you can do for that way. Here is a very important thing. Here we need to see the replay. Okay, replay and request response we need to see from that. Okay, so you can observe request record request record request replay request and you can observe that everywhere. Okay, we'll take from the replay this one and response. I think we are not executed one time also. Okay, we'll execute. So if you execute only, we will see the replay response. Otherwise, you are unable to see the replay response. So almost we are completing from the scripting part. So you guys will be prepare well and same to the practice also you guys will be do from the more. Okay.
Sure.
Again go to the script and control F and click on snapshot and find all. Okay, now we got to replay this one, right? If you click this, okay, this is the replay request. Replay response, it is not showing right here. Okay, boundaries it is showing for this, only for user section this value. It is some issue from the application side itself. If you observe here, I told one more way also, right? Go to the output window and go to the code generation and click on control home and search from the dynamic value and click from the dynamic value place, put from the cursor and control A and give from the web underscore and put it from the here, okay, and click from the this find next. So you can observe this is also it is showing from the web submit data, it is shown, means we need to write from the above of the this here, okay. And if you select from the snapshot also it is showing from the same way, you can observe. So we already clicked right, find all, where is find all, search results. If you click this, there also it is showing from the here, it is blinking here and it is showing from the our boundaries also it is displaying here. So means we need to using for the these two options, we can take from the any one of this and we can find from the boundaries. Now we are identify the, okay. So one thing is important, when you are searching from the right, you need to come to the control home, nothing but starting line, and now you can copy this entire value, okay, entire thing. And now we have know that we need to write from the snapshot till well, so we need to write from the above of the request, top of the request, like we need to write from the here and just I'm commenting from the this line. And after that, so directly also we can write, like yesterday I told as a notepad, right? Because you need to practice from the starting that. Now we can directly also you can write, because we know the way to write the function. Now what is the function? Web break underscore save underscore param and arguments, parameter name comma left boundary comma rb comma last. So now you can observe parameter name. What is the parameter name? Which value you are doing? User session. So that is why you need to provide from the user session underscore corr, okay. And lb is equal to, you need to provide from the lb is equal to and rb equal to. So this is the dynamic value, right? So dynamic value, left text is the left boundary, right text is the right boundary. So what is the left boundary means? This entire is the left boundary. You can copy and put it from the here left boundary. And right boundary you can take from the up to this is the right boundary and put it from the RB. If you observe now, script parsing is failed. Why? Because so syntax error, like load runner don't know from the some double colons. So where is the double colon? In that place you need to replace, like place the \slash. So for example, now you can come to the what by log lb is equal to input type equal to, here you can see the double colon. Here you can give from the \1 and here hidden and before also you need to provide this, and name is equal to user section, right? There also we need to provide one, and after user section also we have one, and value is equal to also we have one more is there extra one. And you can observe lb is completed. Now go to the rb and rb equal to we have the one more double colon. See, now you can observe script parsing is succeeded. So these are the very important. So you are missing from the something. For example, if you give from the unfortunately by mistake you are given comma, so you can observe your script parsing is failed. So means what will happen? Where is exactly also like some syntax you need to identify means that is a very difficult. So that is why when you are doing from the scripting, do from the properly. So don't do from the like enter by mistakenly you need to enter from any comma or anything, right? It will show as a script passing error. Okay. So
Sir, I have question here. So we are adding a slash starting from the inverted comma. Am I right? So,
yes.
but but only that means parameter which have some value we have put it, not for the like user correlation for the parameter name. Am I right?
Yes, yes. So you can observe every argument we are giving from the double colon in between only. So that double colon we don't disturb anything. Don't need to give from any slash. That is the syntax.
Okay.
Only see for example you are pick from the this is the left boundary.
Yes, sir.
In this left boundary you are seeing from the many double colons. So load runner don't know from the what is this double colon. So that is why we need to indicate that. So this is the unit provided from the black slash. Then it will be load runner will be understand.
Okay, sir. One more thing. Suppose this is a left boundary, right boundary issue for that. Like we didn't put the for parameter. So sometime if ordinal value is showing, then we have to again put
Yeah,
that.
see ordinal if you not giving for the ordinal also. So by default it is like ordinal is equal to 1 it is display. Means ordinal is 1 is the default value if you not given also. Why? Because you can observe this is the section is of only one time will be there. If you not given for also it is displaying from the like some user section value is equal this.
Okay, so it means we do not need to put slash there for ordinal one. Am I right?
Yes, yes.
Because it's default. Okay, that's why I
Yeah.
am confused.
So now we are done the like all things like we are given function and we are provided LB, RB and everything is done. Then next we need to replace with the this name. So you can copy this and we need to replace like substitution final step. So where is the dynamic value will be there? In that place we need to substitute this value like control H. You can click from the control H in this like open curly brace in curly brace middle you need to give from the our parameter name and you can go to the control home. Okay, because you when you if you want to replace means click on find next. So you can observe this is it is showing this is no need to replace because this is the just we are given as a our understanding point of commented and click on find next and you can observe this value user session value we need to substitution. So replace. Okay, and again you can find it there is no more values. So you need to replace from the like this means one user section like one dynamic value it will be in the script many times also it will be there. So that is why you need to replace from the how many times it will be there, how many times you need to replace from the like this. Okay, now we'll execute this. So iterations will give from the only one. Okay, and save this and execute. So now you can observe check from the user section. Okay, go to the control home. So everything we can see in the output window only. Okay, control V and click on next. See, you are able to capture this. So it is this one we are done the correlation and substitution also it is done from here. See, substitution parameter user section core. Okay, so now it is fine. Now if you give from the ordinal, there is no need from here because this is the only one value will be there. So that will be no need from the ordinal. Apart from the ordinal, we have the different arguments also will be there. For example, I want from the first 5 characters. Okay, client requirement will be is asking as a, for example, India is there. Assume. Okay, and India I want from the I and D. Okay, so means how many characters is asking? 3 characters. So we want to capture that character, means we have the some arguments will be there. So what are those arguments? Means save length. So save length, what is the save length? Nothing but it is specify the how many character is supposed to capture. Like for example, we are capturing from the dynamic value zoom India. For here I want from the IND only. How many character I want to capture? First 3 only, right? So means I will give
3.
from the save length is equal to 3. Then what will happen means it will capture from the only our output you will get from the output. Okay, what you get only I and D you will get. That is the save length. Save length nothing but it is specify the how many characters supposed to capture.
Sir, one question. Here you mentioned that ordinal value is what?
Ordinal is by default is 1. That is a 1 only. Okay, that is the default value from the ordinal is a 1.
Okay.
Okay.
If someone mentions save length 3, then it will be started from left to right. Am I right?
Yes.
Okay.
So now we can see the real time also here. Okay, you can come to here and we'll provide from the one more argument, comma and double colon, and we need to provide from the save length equal. Now I want from the 13799 is there, right? So don't think I want only particular this value will come or not. I am unable to understand why, because this is the dynamic value. Maybe in this place it will change or it will not change also, like somewhere it will be changed entire value, somewhere it will be changed, but exactly we don't know. So that is why we are giving from the save length is equal. For example, you can give from the like 336. Okay, I given 6 only, it will capture from the first 6 characters. You can observe, so can execute. So now we can check from the here is a session. You can observe 138020. How many characters it is captured? First 6 characters it captured. Okay, that is fine. But as a client expected as a, I don't want from the these 3. I want only from the last 2. Then how to we can capture means we have the one more argument that is called save offset. Save offset. What is the save offset? Nothing but it specify the how many character you want to skip. It specify the
Okay.
how many character you want to skip. For example, what is the my requirement? IA is the my requirement. Assume IA is my requirement. Means how many character I want to skip?
3.
3 characters. And how many character I want to capture?
2.
Then save length also we need to change as a 2.
Okay.
Because how many character you want to capture is it will capture the save length. Skip it will show the save offset. Okay, now we can give from the save offset also, we can try in our script. Okay, go to the code correlations and okay, each argument is a double colon only. You can don't remember that. Okay, control V, and here we need to change from the okay in the 6 characters, right? How many character you want to skip? You can, for example, 3 characters you are skipping, and you want to capture from the 6 characters. Okay, then we can just save this and execute. So now you can observe, go to the, so here you can observe, so only how many character you were asked, so that 6 characters displayed with the point also it is included as a character. So you can observe 6 characters picked.
Okay, sir. Sir,
Okay.
if someone add a save offset is on before the save length, then it's working or not? Make it is consisted
It
as
will,
a
if you mention before also no problem, it will work. But if you given from the save offset save length, first will work only save offset only.
okay on priority basis.
Yes, it's a
It's
priority basis. It is work from the save offset only. Like it will like skip the first characters, how many you want, then only it will capture the how many you want.
if one of interview ask me, suppose I have right boundary first and left boundary after that, and save offset from before then save length, so it should be that script will be working or not? So what is our answer for that?
Yeah, it's working, right? It will work because
Okay.
if you write whatever, maybe no problem. Because in arguments, when you are given, right, it will be like save offset only. It will work first. That is why they asked from the main thing only. He is expecting from the answer from you. Save offset nothing but first will be work with the save offset. Then only it will work from the save length.
And he also saying that if someone change the left boundary, switch the left boundary and route boundary, then also it's working.
Left boundary, right boundary. Yeah, it will work, but you can observe like how to you can do that means. For example, if you go from the script, right? Okay, if you go the script, assume. So you are taken as a, for example, this entire maybe you are take as a left boundary. Then how many character you want? You can you are capture also, right?
No, I mean to say argument to switch the position. A last should be a last should be mentioned only in a last.
Yeah,
Bef-
last should be last only. That is the fix.
uh, suppose user correlation suppose I have set up save length on a user correlation core parameter position, and left boundary on a save length position, and I will change the position, then it will working or not?
That you can try, right? You
Okay,
guys,
okay, I will try.
you guys can change from the boundaries and you can put it from the save offset front, save length, and you can give from the minus also. You guys will be more this. Okay.
Okay, okay, okay. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. So now save offset also fine, right, everyone? Now we have the one more argument will be there. So that is the not found, not found. So by default value is the error. For example, if you go here, you are given from the left bound, right bound, or anything like wrong, then you will get from the what you will get, no match found error you will get. Means that is the, if you not given from the as a argument in this okay function, it is throwing an error. Yes or no? So now I don't want from the error, I want warning. Warning. So why I given warning means, for example, when I am trying to this correlation, what will happen means maybe because of the boundaries mismatch, okay, unable to finding, but I am spending from the only for this dynamic value I spend it from the 2 days. My lead asked question, how much percentage you are completed from your scripting? I told as a I am in 7th line. What you will think? So you are wasting from the your entire time. Why you are wasted your time? I told as a, I stuck from here. Why you are not skipped this? So in this kind of situation, we can use from the not found is equal to warning. Then what will happen means just this will be throw an warning, and your script will be continue from the till end. So that point of view we need to give from the, when you are it is failing, you can provide from the not found is equal to warning. It's clear, everyone?
Sir, can
So
you please repeat once? It's a little bit.
See, for example, you are given from the boundaries will be wrong.
Okay.
Okay, I will show from the one example also, no worry.
Why would we should not write error?
If you not given it's a default value, that is the argument, so not found is equal to error is a default. Why you are giving from the again as a not found is equal to error for here?
Okay.
No need, right? So, for example, we'll see here some RB. I'm giving some wrong. Okay, we'll see this. It will be pass or fail. You can observe.
It will be fail also.
See, it will fail. You can observe here. So departure error, you can observe error. So no match found the requested parameter. Okay, either specified boundaries are not found in the response on the matched text, and otherwise you can observe one more thing. So errors are also very important for us, because if you are getting error, what is that error, how to we can resolve, that is a very important thing. And same to the you will get from the good knowledge. If you are not getting any errors, everything smooth, that is not good. So what is that error also we need to observe. See, for example, maybe if it is a boundaries correct, you are thinking, maybe what will happen means you can observe current maximum HTML parameter size is a 256 bytes. Like we are giving from the parameter name, like user section and departure and array, right? That will be only 256 bytes only, it is occupied. Okay, but the response content will be more than 256 bytes. Then we need to write from the one function top of the script. So web set max html param length function, and you need to provide from the number of bytes like 999 or 4 lines you can provide. Top of the script you need to provide from the this one. That is also one of the important thing. Maybe boundaries will correct. Maybe because of the your response already it is crossed from the more than 256 bytes. Because of that your script is failed here. Means this are the main cause of these issues from the when you are doing from the correlation. So now you can observe this is the failed. Now my motto is, maybe I tried many times, I am failing here, so I want to continue my script, because I have the more values also will be there. If I stuck here, my lead will ask how much percentage your script is completed. So that is why what is I am thinking, okay, I will see this later. Okay, I want to throw as warning. Then we need to provide from the one more argument. Okay, double colon and comma, and we can provide as a not found is equal to warning. So you can save this and you can execute this. So you can observe. See, your script is pass or fail. It is showing pass only. But you can
Pass.
observe here, it is throw as a warning. You can observe, see no match found the parameter request. Same error you got, but it is throwing as a warning. Means your script is working from the till end. Then what will happen? You are completed the entire thing. Your boss asked you to how much percentage completed. I completed 90%. Why? Because I have done the entire all scripts. Only for I missed this one. Okay, I can spend this is the next 1 hour. That is fine. After complete from the all values. So then your lead will be satisfied. Okay, you are done from the 90%. Okay, he will finish from the tomorrow EOD. He will think about. So that is situation it will use from the not found is equal to warning. It's clear?
Okay. Okay. Sir, I have one question here. Can I ask?
Yeah, we can discuss later. Okay. No class will be disturbing. Okay. We'll discuss. No worry. Yeah. Again, we have the one more argument. Okay. Search is equal to body uh, header. Sometimes what will happen, right? What is the dynamic value will be there? That dynamic value content from the Like header, it will be there as same to the, you can observe here, you can take anything. Sign off, no need. Okay, now we'll take this. Okay, this is the snapshot. Okay, this single one will take, and now you can observe this is the response body, means what you are searching as a some this value, right? That response content from the in this response area. Okay, this is there in where body, in the response body. Sometimes what will happen means this response it contain from the header also. So at that time, if you not provide as a, okay, if you not provided that search is equal to header, your script will be fail as it is throwing as a some error, like it is a no match found error, that kind of error you will get. So that is why if it is the response content in the header, definitely you should mention the in our argument is a header. Search is equal to headers. Search is equal to headers. And one more thing, we are not provided here, but you are told as a search is equal to header. You can observe we are not, we can provided anything from here, like it is a search is equal to header or body we are given. One more thing is important, search is equal to body is the by default one. If you not given also, that will pick from the body part, response body only it will pick. But if your response contain in the headers, then definitely you should be mentioned as a one more argument is a search is equal to header, then only it will work your script. Clear on this? And we have one more argument, convert. So convert nothing but we want to convert from the our dynamic value, maybe it is contained from the URL mode. URL mode nothing but you can observe. So our URL mode will be like this, and percentage some special characters and something, it will be like this, it will come to the, okay, our URL mode. So that is the URL mode. Okay, this is the URL, means URL it will be like this will be there. And HTML nothing but it could be format like this, there is no special character, like this will be there. Okay, when you are doing for the correlation, you are observe that you are like the dynamic value it is contained as a, okay, it is contained as a like this, okay, URL mode, but you are unable to don't know from the like what is the percentage, these all things special characters we are unable to know. So that is why what we can do means we need to write from the one more argument is that is called convert. So you are converting from the URL to HTML, then you need to provide from the HTML is equal URL to HTML we need to provide. Okay, that is also one of the argument. Okay, so and we have the one more argument, rel frame ID. So this rel frame ID also it's the same like as a like search is equal to, we are seeing the body or headers. Same way sometimes what will happen means, so we can observe we have the one is our main chapter, in that we have the 1.0 is a 1 and 1.1 is the 1, in that 1.1 1.12 also there. Same way when you are seeing the response in the, okay, in the response in the output window, you can see the some rel frame id is equal to 1 or rel frame is equal to 1.1 or rel frame id is equal to 2.1, means the response contained from the that frame. So at that time you need to mention from the rel frame id is equal to 2.1.1, 2.2.1. so just you need to mention from the, that is the rel frame id. And search we have can call it as a scope also nothing but search only. Scope is equal to body or headers. That is also we can give. So we have the another function will be there. There we can use from the search plus scope. Okay, I will explain that also. Okay. So these are the argument. So ordinal is came and save line save offset not found and convert rel frame id. Okay, and maximum we are covered this all arguments. So these all arguments also based on the your requirement only you can use. So there is no requirement, you don't have anything, okay, particular, then you can give from the this is fine, just function name and parameter name and lb rb last, that is fine. If you don't have any requirement, specific requirement, like I want capture from the first three character or last three character, this you don't have, no need to write from the save and save offset. And if it is already search is like it is a response contain the body, no need to write specify the headers. And convert also already html will be there, then no need to convert as a url mode, then no need to write convert. Rel frame id also, maybe that frame there is no frames you have, then you can mention. So this is the just interview point of view I told. So maximum we can't face this like this, we are not used from the rel frame id. If it is there also, when you are doing from the auto correlation time it will capture, but manual time no need for that function also. Okay, so these all will be arguments in the our function. So any doubts in regarding this? Hello?
No, Kiran, as of now, no. We will go through the recording once.
Okay, you can go to the recording
Yes.
and you will know. Now, yeah, yeah.